EDaily conversation.
Oh, hello.
Hi.
Nice to see you.
Nice to see you too.
How are you today?
I am good today.
That is great.
How are you?
I am doing well.
Wow, the park is very nice today.
Yes, it is very beautiful.
The weather is perfect.
I like sunny days.
Me too.
Do you come to this park often?
Yes, I come here every weekend.
Oh, that sounds relaxing.
It is very relaxing.
I like the trees here.
Yes, the trees are very tall.
Oh, look at that dog.
Wow, yes, it is very cute.
The dog is running fast.
It looks very happy.
Do you like dogs?
Oh yes, I love dogs.
Do you have a dog?
Yes, I have one dog.
Oh, what is its name?
His name is Max.
Oh, that is a nice name.
Thank you.
How old is Max?
He is 3 years old.
Oh, that is young.
Yes, he is very playful.
Dogs bring happiness.
Yes, that is very true.
Let's sit on that bench.
Oh, good idea.
This bench is comfortable.
Yes, it is very nice.
I like quiet places.
The park is peaceful.
I can hear the birds.
Yes, the birds are singing.
Wow, it sounds beautiful.
Nature is amazing.
Do you like nature?
Yes, I enjoy nature very much.
Fresh air feels good.
Yes, it makes me happy.
The wind is gentle.
It is a perfect afternoon.
Oh, I see an ice cream shop.
Yes, it is over there.
Do you want ice cream?
Oh yes, I would like some.
What flavor do you like?
I like chocolate.
Chocolate is delicious.
What flavor do you like?
I like vanilla.
Vanilla is classic.
Let's buy 2 ice creams.
Yes, good idea.
Wow, the ice cream looks great.
It tastes very good.
I enjoy sweet desserts.
Me too.
The sun is going down.
Yes, it is evening now.
Wow, time goes fast.
Yes, we had a great day.
I enjoyed the park.
Me too.
Thank you for coming today.
Thank you for inviting me.
Let's come again next week.
Oh, that sounds wonderful.
I will bring snacks next time.
Great idea.
See you soon.
See you soon.
Have a good evening.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.